Hi, friends. I'm retired pastor, teacher, theologian Papa Dale, and today's Bible Quick is religions. What's the difference? Well, I hope to teach you something that you might not have known before, but please listen and be skeptical and check me out and any other Bible teacher out that you might listen to in comparison to what the Bible actually says. So let's get right into this Bible Quick. Religion, what's the difference? The difference between Judeo-Christianity and other beliefs is that Judeo-Christianity is historically, geographically, and archaeologically really true. It is verifiable. It has a history, traceable, and a person-by-person, event-by-event, right back to the Creator. No other belief system has that. Other beliefs are just that, beliefs. No true history, archaeology, or geography. One can deeply believe in a polka dot unicorn savior or anything else they like, and it doesn't make it true. Judeo-Christianity is truth-based, reality-based. Other beliefs are made-up fantasies by ancient J.K. Rowlings who imagined Marvel comic book type heroes. Judeo-Christianity is objectively, verifiably true, whether someone believes it or not. And that's why it is the wise choice to believe it. Other belief systems are not only false, they are distractions to lead people away from the truth of a restored relationship with the Creator. They are unhealthy spiritual substitutes, like popcorn eases the hunger pangs, but has no real nutritional value. It's not about religion, it's about relationship. Each person individually reconciling with the Creator and reestablishing a relationship in which we are not oppositional, but rather we ask forgiveness for our past rebellion and seek to cooperate with our Dad. Now, there are rabid, vitriolic, almost insane, or maybe forget the word almost, insane, atheists who will say, oh no, Christianity is not historical, it's not verifiable, it's all just fantasy. But these people are folks who listen to false experts, people who have no terminal degree, no PhDs, no theology, no THDs. These are just people who have come up with fantasies on the internet to try to gain a following of some type. But they do not agree with the real, true experts in history and theology and philosophy that have studied this idea for years and years and years and years and have demonstrated using historical evidence and historical proof that Christianity is true in the sense of its history, going right back to the history of the Hebrew people with Moses. Now, the atheists among them won't agree that there's a supernatural event that truly happened, but they will agree to the history. The history of the Hebrew people and the history of Jesus of Nazareth. These are true living people who have a traceable history. And the faith of Jesus Christ, the faith of Judeo-Christianity, has a traceable history right back to the Creator. Anyone who denies that is simply ignorant of the historical truth. If you have comments, questions, or prayer requests, you can leave them in the comments section down below. And until the next video, this is your old pal Papa Dale signing off for now and saying I will be praying for you that you will be well and that you will be blessed. God bless you.